It's almost as big as Baby Palooza CC East Exhibit Hall. Baby Palooza happening tomorrow from 9 to 3 right here at the East Exhibit Hall. And yes, everything baby is here. Speaking of baby, we got a baby, Catherine Harper here from Blue Cross Blue Shield. How you doing, Catherine?
I'm doing great, JJ.
Good. Now, you guys have a program called Baby Yourself, and I'm just finding out about this. I mean, this is a great program that Blue Cross Blue Shield does.
Thank you. It's a fantastic program.
Yeah.
It's an educational program where our nurses are available by phone to support pregnant moms throughout their pregnancy. Moms call and enroll in the program. It's at no cost to them. So if you have a Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Alabama card, they can call that Baby Yourself number and have their own nurse throughout their pregnancy.
Yeah. And I just want to make sure, Blue Cross Blue Shield, this is huge sponsor for Baby Palooza.
Yeah, we're honored. We're honored to have this opportunity to support expectant moms throughout their pregnancy, and Baby Palooza is a great way to let these moms know who are coming to celebrate and learn about having babies, what other resources are out there to support them.
I bet when Cecilia came with the idea, they said, "Hey, I want to do a Baby Palooza." I bet you guys were like, "That's a great idea."
Oh,
it's so much fun.
It is. It is a fun thing, and expecting a baby is very, very exciting. So why not make a big party out of it?
Yeah, and this is a party.
That's what I understand. It's going to be a fun weekend.
There you go. And of course, again, all of the activities from 9 to 3, all kinds of things, giveaways. Thank y'all so much for putting this together.
Oh, well, we're honored, like I said, to be a part of this. It's an important investment in expectant moms throughout the state.
There you go. And of course, make sure you guys know all about the Baby Yourself and Blue Cross Blue Shield. And I just want to end. This is pretty cool. Have you seen this?
No.
Check this out. Let's say you're a little busy. Oh, but just check this out, Catherine. Just say you want to get the baby back up. It comes back up. Is that cool?
I want one.
I know. I don't have a child and I want
They have
one.
an adult-sized one?
I know. Tell me about it. All right, guys, Baby Palooza tomorrow, 9 to 3 right here at the East Exhibit Hall. Log on to myfoxsale.com. We'll give you a direct link to babypaloozatour.com. Catherine, high five. Great job. All right, we got more coming up as Good Day continues after the break. See you out here at Baby Palooza.